Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So it's been a couple of weeks since the last video about my stocks and shares journey, and we've had a little bit of success, quite a lot of success I would say, quite a lot of success overall. So let's do a quick not scam, but skim. A quick skim through the accounts that we have, and let's see what percentage we're up on them over the last couple of weeks. So, Altria is, I believe, our worst performing stock. That's not terrible. That's okay. That's fine. It was a smaller position in the portfolio, so I'm not too mad at it. Actually, I don't think it was. I think we've got equal. Oh, no, we don't. Okay, it was a smaller share. That's fine. So we're down 5.6% on Altria, which is a total of what? What is that? £1,500. £1,400. Okay, whatever. That's okay. Because we're up 6.8% on BHP, which is equal to how much exactly? Here it is, £3,400, which is very nice. Very nice to be up that much. To be up 7% in 2 weeks is great. To be up 9% on Realty Income is even better. So, just on Realty Income, okay, on free trade, we've made £4,500 gain. And over on Trading 212, on Realty Income, we've made another £4,400. So 4.4 plus 4.5, that is a whopping amount. So it's £9,000. £9,000 in 2 weeks from Realty Income. Thank you very much. So you can see we've done really well. We've had a 9.7% gain on our portfolio in 2 weeks. Now that does not happen normally. That does not typically happen, okay? And it especially doesn't typically happen with dividend stocks. Dividend paying stocks do not have a great history of growth typically. You can see we're on quite a downfall, but I timed it brilliantly. I had the balls to buy it when people were doubting it, and as of now, that has been a great decision. Will it continue to be? I don't know. We could quite easily have another downturn at some point, but I bought it around here, and thankfully we didn't go down any further. But who knows if I caught the bottom perfectly, or who knows, maybe we take another deep dive down into the dark depths of terror. We will see, right? Real estate across the world has it's holding up for now. The type of real estate that Realty Income invests in, I think it will be somewhat safe. They will be the last people that stop paying their bills. If people do start paying their bills, if we get to that point, we haven't got there just yet, thankfully. The mining companies such as BHP and Rio Tinto, they've been performing well, which is great to see. I mean, these companies I'm holding for the dividends, but every company has their reason to be in here. Realty Income, okay, I've got £100,000 in Realty Income, or £108,000 now. And I do that because I want to have a piece in real estate. I want to have a portion of my net worth in real estate, and I don't want the headaches, okay? But when you're talking about something like BHP Mining or Rio Tinto, why do I want it? It's obviously because I believe that there will be some strength in commodities and that these two companies will benefit from it. They're both UK companies. BHP is one of the biggest resource companies in the world. Petroleum, copper, iron, coal. Rio Tinto, they do all of that as well. Aluminium, iron, copper, etc. And diversification, right? I love the fact that mining companies are so diverse. So we're talking Australia, Brazil, Guinea. I know Rio, they're everywhere. They're in Mongolia, they're in Cambodia, they're everywhere that you can think of. And I'm sure BHP are the same. that's kind of why I like mining companies. I think it's the access to diversification. You know, they're mining, they're extracting commodities from the earth in locations that most people would never dream of even visiting. And I think that's a cool business to invest in. You know, a business, something that's, I mean, this might come back and bite me on the bum, but I am more interested in investing in a company which is going to the far edges of the world, Papua New Guinea, Mongolia, and out and out places. I'm more interested in investing in that rather than a company that sells pens and pencils or something of that caliber. You know, one of them's exciting, one of them's a little bit boring. Now, defense companies such as, let's say, Costco, they often play a great part in a lot of people's portfolio, but not mine. Not mine, not yet. And I'm happy with the results so far. But this is a very early journey, and I know that investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and that this could all be taken away from me. £9,800 profit over there. We've made how much over here? No profit. Okay, $455 profit there. Brilliant. So what's that? 455, 98, 10.3, and then 6. All right. So we made about £16,500 profit in 2 weeks. That's very nice. Let's get some of them dividends rolling in over the next few months, and start seeing some really nice returns from this. You know, that'll be a great start to the portfolio. We intend to add to this as time goes on. We do intend to add to this as time goes on, but if we can get growth in these companies as well, that would be amazing. Thank you all very much for watching. Please do like if you enjoyed. Share this video with your friends as well. It does really help me out if you share it with your friends. And any questions you have about stocks or investing, feel free to ask me. I might not necessarily give 100% the best advice, but I can tell you what I'm doing. I can share my insights, my opinions, but not necessarily direct you to do the right thing. You know, this is a game of wins and losses, and you have to accept losing. You know, don't invest money that you can't afford to lose, because sometimes you lose. But anyway, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.